In this video, you will understand why YouTube shows this error sometimes. Let's get right into it. Open Manage All History. In here, you can delete all the history of YouTube. Once delete is completed, now you can see that there is no watch history. You will get this. Try searching to get started only when you have no watch history. You will not even get feeds of your subscribed channels, because YouTube only wants to show you feeds based on your watch history. Now, when you have searched something and watch a video, you have to restart the app and refresh, and now YouTube will start showing you feeds again. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching the video.